Bonjour. Today we'll talk about, the cocoa nibs and how to use it into the chocolate. So first you have to understand that the cocoa nibs come, of course, from the cocoa beans that we have removed after roasting the shell. At Michel Cluzel, our cocoa nibs are not only organic, but they are also sifted, so you don't have mini pieces and dust. So the first bar that we will do today is a bar that is made just with cocoa nibs. So we have to temper our chocolate couverture. Michel Cluzel, of course, this one is a 64%, it's perfectly shiny. And then that's when we will add our cocoa nibs. That will give a punch of energy and of cacao while adding at the same time some crunch. So this product is called GRUÉ de Cacao. And this product that you see here is coming directly from France. Now we have done also a little twist here in America because we know that people love something a little bit unique. So again, we'll start the same way by adding the tempered chocolate. And now we'll add two parts. The first one, of course, being still the roasted cocoa nibs. At the same time, we'll add a little bit, but not too much, of the sea salt. Of course, this product is made for you. We call that sea salt and cocoa nibs. And that's the final result that you have. Now, let's talk about my favorite, éclat de cacao, a pure delight. We take each cocoa nibs and then we enroll it in chocolate. It's called panning. And when we do that, we have something that is really gorgeous. And I can't help it, but I have to have some. So I'm sorry for you. Enjoy.